sa ponds.
Pwede.
Diba?
Pwede. Nako, ito na. Ito na. Ito na.
Okay.
Alright. So, participants, do you have any questions, clarifications? Nagets naman po natin lahat yung Hep Parade na game, right? So we're going to do our own version, which is the Love, Joy, Hope. And we are going to play Pond's SPF Everyday Game. So, Belle, I will leave it to you to facilitate this game. And on my mark, the game shall begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Louder, please. My dear, you know what? You won't leave empty-handed because Belle's going to present a very lovely gift for you.
Parang ako yung kinakabahan. Ba't ganun?
Okay,
Sige nga.
here you go, Belle. Thank you so much for participating.
It's okay, panalo ka pa rin, no?
Oo, panalong-panalo.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so
Okay.
go ahead, Belle. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. SPF. On. Everyday.
Parang ano, isa pa. Okay, let's give it another try. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
On. Everyday. Okay, out. Okay. Don't worry. We have a consolation prize for your participation. Thank you so much, my dear. Thank you. Okay. Ngayon, mag-compress po tayo. Compress pa. Compress.
Ayaw mo yan.
Ayan. Compress
Ayaw
pa
mo
po
yan.
tayo.
Okay.
Okay.
Nakabahan ako for you guys.
Ako din
Diba?
kinakabahan. Bakit ganun?
Pero ano
Okay.
to?
Take a deep breath, everybody, in 3, 2, 1.
Pareho lang yung pants and SPF mo. Okay, sige. Tama na.
Wow!
Tama siya.
Yes.
Isa pa. 1, 2, 3, go!
Every day. Congratulations. Thank you so much for participating. Let's move on to the next round in 3, 2, 1.
Galingan niyo. 1, 2, 3, go.
SPF. On. On. Every day. It's okay, my love. It's okay. Congratulations, nonetheless. You have this prize. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you for participating.
Wala,
Hey.
bakit natin? Ganun ka tawa bigla yung reaction mo kasi. Ayan, grabe. 7 na lang kayo.
No, this is going quick.
I know.
Okay, compress pa tayo. Compress. Ayan. Okay, on my mark, in 3, 2, 1.
Sino po ang pwedeng tanungin nito?
One hand is okay.
O, isa pa.
Pawns. Swipe.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I love it.
Pagbigyan natin siya! Okay na ba? Papayag kayo? Pagbigyan pa ng isa?
I love her. I
Isa pa
love her.
round? Okay, pagbigyan natin siya. 1, 2, dito tayo. Kala nyo, makakalagpas kayo. 1, 2, 3, go!
One.
Everyday.
Thank you so much for participating. Okay, compress po ulit. Compress, compress.
1, 2, 3, go.
SPF every day. Every day. SPF.
Okay, there you have it. Congratulations and thank you. And let's have a very quick photo. There you go. Okay, here we go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
SPF every day. SPF.
Okay lang yan.
Napatili din ako, sorry. Oh my goodness,
Woo!
getting intense. Belle, parang pinagpapawisan na tayo sa
Kaya nga eh.
Hindi kinakabahan ni Belle. Okay,
Kaya natin
compress,
to.
compress, compress. Okay, here we go.
One.
Alam ko na, baligtarin natin yung mga contestants. Yan, okay, mix, mix. Ayan, okay, maiba din yung flow. Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1.
1, 2, 3.
Every day. SPF every day. SPF every day.
There we go. Thank you so much. And down to our final 3 contestants. Let's give our final 3 contestants a round of applause, everybody.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh. Okay.
So let's do this. Go ahead.
1, 2, 3.
SPF every day. SPF.
Out. We're done. Thank you so much. Congratulations nonetheless. You still take home a prize. Thank you so much.
Ala,
my dear.
dalawa na lang kayo.
Bago yan, mag-holding hands muna. Okay, mag-holding hands muna. We'll compete together. They are ready. Are you ready, Belle?
Yes, kaya niya yan.
Alam niyo, napipili ko si Belle mas kabado sa inyo.
Kaya nga eh.
Okay, at dahil dyan, harap ulit sa audience. Tabit-tabit po tayo, shoulder to shoulder, and let's begin.
1, 2, 3, go.
SPF every day. 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 SPF.
Okay na ba yun? SPF. Parang nahirap nitong dalawa. Ang galing na na.
Sarap, sobrang galing nila.
Kaya nga
Okay.
eh. Ay, isa pa daw. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
SPF every day. SPF every day. SPF every day. SPF every day. SPF every day.
Wait na! Ang galing na lang pareho! Can we have a winner?
Okay.
Right? Ang galing na na eh!
You know what, Belle? I'll leave it to you. They are both deserving of grand prizes.
Yes!
They're taking home prizes from Pons. Congratulations to all of you. Okay, Belle, could you kindly stand here in the middle with our champions for this game? Okay. And let's have one grand photo with the rest of our contestants as well. And there you have it, folks.
Ang galing!
I was really impressed. That took a lot of focus. Grabe yung focus nila, no? Kahit ako nawawala eh. Parang kanina ko pa siya pinapractice since umaga. Nalilito pa rin ako. Oh my gosh. All right. There we go. Beautiful. All right, thank you so much to all of our contestants. Let's give them a round of applause, everybody. What sports they were. Palakpakan naman po tayo. All right.